Title: The Hens and the Parrots. In a quaint village, two men lived very different lives. Henry was a hardworking farmer who raised hens and sold their eggs, quickly becoming one of the wealthiest men in the village. In contrast, Oliver was an eccentric bird enthusiast with a collection of rainbow parrots. He loved his birds, but struggled to make a living. When a merchant offered to buy his parrots, Oliver couldn't bear to part with them. Seeing Oliver's struggle, Henry suggested he showcase his parrots at the market. With Henry's help, Oliver set up colorful displays and charged entry fees for parrot shows. The villagers flocked to see the vibrant birds, and soon Oliver's fortunes began to change. Both men found success in their own ways. Henry, with his hens, and Oliver as the parrot man of the village. They remained the best of friends, proving that true wealth lies in friendship and the joy we bring to others. Subscribe my channel and comment below your ideas about story.